everyone, and as promised, I am making a video of the completed Cork ornaments. I only was able to do 8. I still have I have to do the horses and the dogs, but I was able to do the birds and the mermaids and the dolphins. Okay, so here's the first one. Well, let me just explain what I did. Okay, I went to the park down the road from where I live, and I grabbed some sand. It's not really sand, it's like crushed tiny pebbles. And I brought them home and I bleached them just to get any kind of, dirt or whatever out of them. I painted the cork brown on the bottom, blue on top, and then I put E6000 on the bottom. I put the pebbles. I then did triple thick on the blue part and some sprinkles. Waited for all that to dry. Then I just E6000 the mermaid. And then I did my regular dangle on the bottom. But I try to incorporate the beach scene, sea scene, whatever. I have a little anchor. Where is the anchor? Anchor. Then all of them have love on top. It's like a little love on top. Okay. I have little shells here. My daughter actually picked these out. She said this is like sea foam, like, reminds you of like the sea. Sea foam green, a starfish, and what else? And then just a blue, a crystal blue. So they basically have the same thing. And then the 2018 is on the bottom. So that's the first one. Love this one. Okay. The second one I believe I'm going to keep because I can't sell. I think it's just so cute. Has the same thing except for the dangle. One of the dangles is a star. I just put a star there. But the starfish, the shells, everything. She is just, to me, oh no, this is not the one that I'm keeping. She's cute. She's sitting on a rock. Same concept. The blue, the stone. This is the one I'm keeping. She is sitting on a stone that I actually glued there. Sorry, my voice. I only had a couple sips of my coffee. The love is there. Let's see what else. Starfish. Oh, this one I put a fish right here. Then the shells, and then the 2018. But this one I believe I'm gonna keep. I think she's just so cute sitting on that rock. Adorable. Okay. Those were the 3 mermaids. Then I have dolphins. Same thing. Love. 2018. This one has a heart on it, like a filigree heart. The shells, starfish. That. And same thing with this dolphin. Okay, the dangle on this one is a filigree heart also. Got the shells, the starfish. There. Okay, now my next one was the birds. And I was going to get raffia, but I decided, I looked outside and I saw on my lawn, I have little patches of dead grass. So I picked it, I cleaned it off, and I E6000'd it on. So there's the bird flying in the sky. I made some clouds. What do I have here? I have a little, what are these called? Dragonfly. 2018. The only thing I did with the birds, I kind of put like brown for like the nest, and then green for like the sort of like the trees or something. I don't know. Just something different than the starfish. And that's that bird. And here's 2 birds sitting in their nest. This one has a little bird. I put a little bird house there. And then the same colors in 2018, but 2 birds on this one with the clouds. And the last one is 2 birds again. One's looks like it's making the nest, one's hanging out. This one has a dragonfly, the 2018, and basically the same beads as the other birds. And that is it. Oh, the last part is I'm just going to put one of the fancy hooks on, and that will be complete for my craft fair. The next video I will do is the dogs. I still have the dogs, and I have the horses, the little what kind? My Little Pony. Looks like My Little Pony horses. Okay, bye for now. Happy Thursday? Yes, today's Thursday. Happy Thursday, everyone.